Did you miss me too? Not my attitude.
I got a twinkle in my head, twinkle in my eye.
I done bought a few new timepieces, they didn't deserve it. Didn't mean to get outside my body, I was just out splurging.
Lordy, Lord, they'll be crying, and it's a fact.